Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make fried rice, and this one is fried rice from my refrigerator because I just look at my refrigerator and see what I have, and here you are. Add some garlic in just few seconds. And once it's ready, it's getting brown, add some pork in. And this pork, I just add some soy sauce in before I cook. I didn't marinate it overnight or something. This way it helps to tender the pork. Once it's almost cooked, you can add eggs in. Break it. Wait a bit and you add rice in. You can use rice that's left over from the restaurant that you went to last night, or you save it in your refrigerator. Okay. I'll show you two kinds of fried rice at the same time. One is without soy sauce, so you're going to get this kind of color. If the rice is kind of like big lump, you smash it down. Use back of your spoon. Okay. It's good. Now I add the vegetable I just put everything in. You don't have to, if you don't like vegetables like me, you can skip it. But for me, I like my fried rice to have lots of vegetables. So that's why I put all kinds. You can put any kind of vegetable too, you know, doesn't matter, or any kind of meat. You don't have to use pork if you don't like it. Anything, I mean, really. I just want to make it easy and quick for you, so you can do it at home for yourself and your family. Once the vegetable gets softer like this, so now it's time to add the sauce. I have oyster sauce, I have soy sauce, I have sugar, and if you like, you can stop now. This is done. And if you like the darker color, like me, I like the smell of black soy sauce. You can add a bit of black soy sauce. You see the difference. Get a bit darker, you see? You can use it, or you can skip it if you don't have black soy sauce at home. That's fine. Okay, and this is optional. This is Thai chili I have from my garden, from my backyard. I just put it in to have some hot, some spice. And this is green onion. And you can off the heat. And that's it. Look how quick. You can make it for yourself in less than 5 minutes. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the show. See you next time. Bye-bye.